friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. Once again welcomes you in the special episode on Hyundai Creta introduction. Moving forward, for the air conditioner system available in SXO, which comes with the auto climate control. By just pushing this button, you can have a blue light over here, which can clearly display you the auto function. Below that, there is a blower speed and mode with the temperature and whether the AC is on and off. So Hyundai made it really simple that you have both a twister and a button in the one assembly. So now you can just push this button to switch on the AC and as well just twist it on to have a better temperature range for you. The 5 buttons available on the air conditioner unit are very effective. With the first button you can switch off all the air conditioner unit. Then the second button is for the recirculation mode on and off. Then we do have a rear defogger over here, and then we have a front windshield defogger, and then we do have a mode. That was the brief description, and we are having a special episodes on Hyundai Creta in the future also. So if you have any doubts or comments regarding Hyundai Creta, kindly comment below. And parallelly we will be posting a special episodes on Ciaz as well. So in the future we will have both the SUV as well as sedan episodes. If you love the channel, subscribe it. If you like, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.